Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll see how to add personal annotations on shared PDF files stored in Wondershare Document Cloud. The first step is to log into your Wondershare account on the Document Cloud portal. In the main document view on the home page, click the three horizontal dots against the name of your file and select Add Comment from the list box that you see. Inside the document, add a personal annotation by selecting from the choice of tools in the toolbar above the document. Next, choose where you want to apply the annotation. For example, click the Highlight tool, then select a piece of text to be highlighted. Once selected, you can edit the color of the highlight and add a personal annotation. Click Post when you're done. You can easily add any type of personal annotation using this method. Thanks for watching. Please search for Wondershare Document Cloud on YouTube to see more such educational videos. Oh, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have friends or colleagues who might find this video useful, don't hesitate to share it online or on social media.